Peace, peace, collective. Ross Goldilocks here. I pray you're doing so well. I honestly just want to do like a one card pull for whatever reason and just see where we go, what we're doing, what God wants us to know, the divine, however you identify. Y'all, if you're receiving this message, it's only for clarity and confirmation. Please receive what resonates. I'm only here for love and light. Cooperation. Now, listen, this was in reverse, actually. So let's get real. You're a standout. You stand out. Okay? You stand out. And getting to the real point, because you stand out, people are intimidated to work with you. I saw 111 on the timer. Now I want to pull some more cards. I get what you're talking about. Just one. Blase squaze. We only pulling one. I'm going to stick to the program. Y'all. I'm feeling that energy is a little musty crusty. I am calling in for you, for the collective, the most courageous energy that is so invigorating, that it empowers others to approach you with integrity and courage and brazen, to give you pause and say, oh, I can appreciate this energy. 222 on the timer. I'm in love with this energy. I'm grateful for that energy. I'm grateful for your willingness to engage with me on a personal level, on a grounded level. Always know that we're up here, honey. We surpass all odds. I'm here to tell you that from this standout, turned upright, stand out and stand up, honey, with your team. Y'all, I had to switch to another device, baby. Okay? Because for whatever reason, we keep getting cut off. So, another device, because we have more technologies around here. As I was saying, the soul group that is meant for you is meant for you. Because I know I turned into preaching over there. I pray you all the most divine soul group that has the most vibrant yellow, greens, orange hues, blues hues, purple hues. Listen. Pray for the best and expect the best. Rejection, that of which we call it, is only protection. Those people that are too stagnant or afraid, we don't even know what they're afraid of. Because 111 on the timer, it has more to do with them than you, my love. That is projection. They don't need to be receptive of your energy at this time. You are primarily here to serve those who are in alignment with you. Changing someone else's life be gone. Change it from a distance now. I just heard, like what you see? I love it. Some of y'all real sassy. Come on. Anyway, y'all. Peace, peace, collective. You can't sit with us.